Hello everyone, and today's video is just a simple video on showing my bird eating from my hand. Actually, my bird hadn't eaten for a day and a night. So now today my dad had got its food. Now it's munching on it happily. And if you want to see how to train a budgie to sit on your hand, you can also go to my other videos. How to train a budgie to sit on your hand. And if you want to get to know the gender of a budgie, you can also go to how to get to know the gender of a budgie. This budgie is a male green budgie called Chun. He is an adult. To just make your budgie be hand fed, first of all you can get to know what it really likes, and then second, you must know when your budgie is hungry. So I got to know my budgie is hungry because he was eating paper and it wasn't needed. So I called my dad, told him to get the food, and see, now he's here. Now I guess he'll be much comfortable with my hand in other things. Thanks for watching the video. And please do subscribe and pass on comments.